This is how you're going to add a link to a container in Elementor. Step 1 is you're going to edit your page with Elementor. So you're just going to head over to elementor.com and then make sure that you log in with your account. So just click on login at the top right page or at the top right corner of your screen. And then from there, you're just going to select the page and edit it with Elementor. Now you're going to select the container or section that you want to make clickable. Step 3, in the left panel, just go to advanced and then custom CSS or attributes depending on your Elementor version. Now you can use an HTML attribute, so you can just paste it right here, or you can make a whole container, or you can ask ChatGPT to actually do a container for you. Next is you can alternatively place a transparent button or a link widget over the container. You can set its width and height to cover the container and set its link. Always test it in preview mode to ensure the link works across devices. And that's it. That is how you can add a link to a container in Elementor. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this.